everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 171 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have another LA Colors Dollar Tree makeup product to try out, and this is the lipstick duo, the gloss and lipstick in the shade Twinkle. I have already tried out this version of the LA Colors lip duo. This is the shade Vibe, so I'll link that video down below if you want to see it. The shade Vibe is definitely different than my typical go-to lip shades, and I was pleasantly surprised by this product. I kind of felt like I preferred to wear either the lip gloss alone or the lipstick alone rather than put the lip gloss on top of the lipstick, because the lipstick just had so much shine on its own. But they're both really pretty, so I'm hoping I'll have a similar successful experience with the shade Twinkle. So I did find this at the Dollar Tree, so it only cost me $1. And it seems like every time I go back to the Dollar Tree these days, they still have these lip duos in stock. And I also like to mention that LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. I love the packaging on these lip duos. I think it's so pretty and it's so convenient. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. So you really can't even see the lip gloss on camera because it's completely sheer. The pink lipstick, however, is so pretty. It's even brighter than it looks in the lipstick tube. Like, this is my shade of pink. This is so bright. It's so pretty. And I am totally fine with a clear lip gloss. The other version of this lip duo had a very tinted lip gloss. This one is just shiny with a few tiny specks of glitter. Also in the swatch, this lipstick does not look as shiny as the Vibe lipstick did. But let's see how it actually looks on my lips. Oh my gosh, this is like so neon. And wow, this lipstick is so creamy, so comfortable and moisturizing on my lips, and I don't even think I'm imagining it. This has a strawberry bubblegum scent to it. So I really love how this feels. It feels so comfortable. It feels like a lip balm and it feels just so nourishing on my dry lips. But the pigment is not super opaque. I'm gonna go ahead and layer it on even more and see if it'll look very fully opaque. But yeah, no matter how much I'm layering on, it still looks not super solid. Let's see if layering the lip gloss on top of this helps hide that kind of textured look. This lip gloss got so messy now. It's no longer like a pretty clear shade. It's got all that pink lipstick mixed into it. That's okay, I do like the pink. But that tiny doe foot applicator does not hold much lip gloss on it. I had to dip back in like 5 times just to do the lip gloss just now. But I actually do really like how this looks with the lip gloss on top of it. I think that it really did help to make my lips look more smooth, and it helped make the lipstick look more even without all of that texture anymore. I think this looks super pretty. It does feel like I have a lot of product on my lips. I think there's going to be a lot of transfer, so let's do a kiss test. A full kiss mark. I did expect that. That's okay. It still looks very glossy and shiny even after the kiss test, so that's nice. It's going to be more long wearing than I expected. I'm definitely not afraid of a hot pink lip. It's like my favorite color, so I really am happy with this. And this is only $1, so 50 cents a product. I would totally wear this lip gloss alone if I wanted to wear a natural lip, but if I wanted to be a little bold, I would definitely wear this neon pink Twinkle shade. And this product claims to be moisturizing to the lips, and it really is. I have such dry lips all the time, and my lips feel very hydrated right now. And they look it too, which is awesome. I'm trying to decide which of these two I like better. And it's really hard because I really just think I like them equally, and I would gladly wear either one of these. I'd love to know in the comments down below which shades you like better, the purples or the pinks. So we can just add this to my list of LA Color lip products that I really like. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.